Biking is considered one of the most efficient and most sustainable forms of transportation. Cars pollute the air, exacerbate the climate change, enhance sedentary lifestyle, and cost a lot. While bikes, on the other hand, have zero carbon footprints, are low maintenance, and promote active lifestyle. What makes a city really bikeable or bike-friendly is the sense of safety. The feeling that the rights of the bikers are recognized and respected by others, especially the drivers. Netherlands has been doing a great job in terms of recognizing the safety concerns of the bikers and adapting their cities for an active rather than vehicular transportation. But before learning from the Dutch way of designing cities for biking, let's take a look at the perils and safety concerns for bikers in other countries. Accidents resulting in death or serious injury are one of the major concerns for biking. The national biking injury data show that ever since 1990s, there is an upward trend in biking fatalities, with male bikers between the age of 40 and 65 having the highest death rate as a result of biking accidents. As of 2018, more than 29% of fatal biking accidents occurred on minor roads, and 63% of the fatal accidents involving a biker occurred on major roads other than interstates or freeways, implying that urban environments and the streets around the globe are really dangerous for bikers, and drivers do not respect or acknowledge the right of the bikers, resulting in dangerous scenes on a daily basis, like this one.
And we begin with breaking news from Ottawa County tonight. A bicyclist is dead after being hit by two cars. It happened on Waverly Road north of 8th Street after 8 o'clock tonight. Ottawa County deputies say the 42-year-old man was riding south on the bicycle on Waverly when he was hit from behind by the two vehicles. The two drivers were not injured in the crash.
Examples of the right of the bikers and the bike lanes being violated in the cities abounds. Even the law enforcement sometimes ironically violate the bike lane. In metropolitan areas and crowded cities, bike lanes are frequently used as parking lots, making it even more difficult for cyclists to bike safely. Apart from cars, inclement weather is another reason for bikers to stay away from the streets and use pedestrian walkways. And sometimes the vice versa happens, leading to chaotic scenes, especially in the crowded cities.
When we finally give some space to bike lanes, it just gets filled up with people who are getting pushed off the overcrowded sidewalks. Look at all those people behind me who are forced to walk in the street because our sidewalks are too narrow. We need to make spatially efficient use of our streets by giving space to people who are walking and biking and stopping this crazy donation of all of our space to cars.
In order to facilitate biking and ensure the safety of bikers, the city of Utrecht in Netherlands has adopted the strategy of maximum deterrence, curbing private transportation in the center of the city. As a result, cars are contained in the edges of the urban fabric, and the center of the city is reserved for bikers, buses, trains, or pedestrians. Utrecht offers a successful blueprint for an integrated system of sustainable urban transportation renewal revolving around biking and active transportation. On the reconstructed streets, a special type of tarmac and pavement is used to make driving less convenient for cars and at the same time make biking faster by reducing the friction. Streets are constantly repurposed into total bikeways with wide pedestrian sidewalks. Bike sharing is highly encouraged. People of all ages use bikes in a safe urban environment. You cannot get to the center of the Utrecht city conveniently without using bikes or buses. Most bridges and shortcuts are reserved for bikers, making driving in the center of the city even more inconvenient and discourage private vehicular transportation. Center of Utrecht is teamed with parking lots for bikes adjacent to the train stations, enabling a network of safe and sustainable biking without needing cars. In order to ensure the safety of bikers and enhance biking cultures, there are signs around the center of the city reading "Cars are guests," implying that the road is not simply shared by bikes and cars, but rather the bikers own the road. As another measure to secure safe and fast biking, the Dutch urban designers implemented protected intersections specifically designed to facilitate safe left turns, fast and uninterrupted right turns, and protected straight movement through physical protection. The Dutch biking strategies makes biking safer, faster, and more reliable than cars. It is a mixture of proactive policymaking that favors human-centered urbanism over car-induced city planning and promotes biking in a safe, increasingly convenient, and attractive urban space that benefits us, the next generations, and our planet.